Hello, my name is Eyüp Uğurlu. Today I will present my project on motor power for a roller coaster. First, the train climbs a ramp using a motor power. At the top, the motor turns off and the train speeds up due to gravity. Then it goes through a loop and continues on the track. The most important point a roller coaster is to make sure the train doesn't leave the track during the loop. To find the minimum speed for this, we first draw the free body diagram as you can see on the screen. The basic equation we use is F equals m times a. In the case, the acceleration is v squared over r. At the top of the loop, the normal force is 0. From this, we calculate the minimum speed. It is 6.64 meters per second. The train moves up the ramp at the constant speed. We find the speed at the top of the ramp using energy conservation. We set the energy point C equal to energy at point A. From this, we calculate the speed as 5 meters per second. To find force while the train moves up the ramp, we use free body diagram. From this, we calculate the motor force 4162 newtons. Finally, we use this formula for the power. The power is calculated 20 kilowatts. Then I designed an experimental setup for my model. This setup simulates the motion of the roller coaster using a flexible hose to represent the track. It helped to visualize the force and motion. We analyzed the experiment was successfully conducted. The change in speed observed in our experiment is also shown the graph like this. Thank you for listening to me.